Fala, fanático dos Relâmpago McQueen. Aqui é o Douglas que vai trazer um vídeo aqui falando. Vamos ver o que eu trago aqui do Relâmpago McQueen que saiu hoje, 2h40 da manhã.
Lightning McQueen is back at the center of the action. Last we saw him, he was at the height of the racing world. But now, we see McQueen in the final years of his career, as he comes to grips with younger racers and time itself. Carro3 is an emotional sports comeback story. That's why writers studied Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan and talked with racing great Jeff Gordon in order to learn more about how great athletes deal with growing old.
Jackson Storm is part of the next generation of high-tech racers.
McQueen's biggest threat is Jackson Storm, who's cocky and brash, just like McQueen in his younger days. But unlike McQueen, Storm doesn't appreciate his elders or the history of the sport. Storm looks every bit as edgy as his personality. He's angular and sleek, with a low profile and an aggressive shape. The S design was inspired by the international symbol for a hurricane. If you notice that Storm's mouth over-articulates compared to other cars, that's by design. When recording the voice for Storm, Armie Hammer tended to over-enunciate his lines. Animators definitely noticed this and wanted to include this detail in the movie. McQueen's sidekick is a fun new character named Cruz Ramirez. She's an energetic technician and a trainer voiced by comedian Cristela Alonso.
You need my help, Mr. McQueen.
At first, writers had a tough time deciding what Cruz's character should be. Before becoming McQueen's trainer, she was a clerk, a superfan, and even an assistant. Real women form the basis of Cruz's character, including NASCAR driver Danica Patrick and Cristela Alonso herself, who struggles as an up-and-coming comedian, inspired the movie's writers.
You'll never be as fast, but you can be smarter.
Many of the movie's characters are based on real-life racers, including actual NASCAR legends from the 1940s and 50s that the movie's writers met while doing research for the film. These are the dirt track quartet McQueen meets along the way on the comeback trail. If you're wondering why Miss Fritter, the demolition derby monster truck, has thicker than normal window frames, it's because of the actress who voices her. Just check out Leah Delaria's thick glasses.
You can't turn back the clock, kid. But you can wind it up again.